Alright, so changed out kids this morning. And we're on to part 2 of this guy. So my actual part is right at 700 thousandths wide. So we're just a shade over. We're about like 10 thousandths bigger than that. I'm gonna try scoring this with my parting blade here just so I know where the end of it is. And then I'll go ahead and knock 2 little shoulders on there. Alright guys, so we got the lathe portion of these little doodads done here. Definitely learned a lot doing these. I've never turned anything quite like that before. Was pretty happy with the way they turned out. The only thing is the bore here. There's a little machine mark that kind of tweaks off to the side there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that or not. Mainly that's just from my boring bar. It was just a little bit too big to get in there, and you know, when you make your cut and then you pull back on your cross slide and pull out, I didn't have enough room to pull back far enough. Anyway, got them in there, they're done. They're real close to the size they're supposed to be, so I'm pretty happy with that. And now I gotta drill and tap them, so yeah, that's what we're doing here. I just have them sitting on a couple parallels here in my vise. I got my wobbler here in the mill. We're gonna go ahead and find the center of these guys here and go ahead and drill and tap them for just a 1/4-20 set screw. Alright, so having a DRO on this guy and a wobbler makes this real easy to find the center. You just go over here, wobble on one edge, wobble on the other, multiply it by 0.5 and you got the dead center there. Now we got to go ahead and do this way here. Alright, so we're going to find the center of this guy here. We just take 1.513, multiply it times 0.5, 75635. We'll take and move our table this way till we get to whatever that number is. I lost count of it. 7565. Alright guys, I really like my index back here, but I'm kind of glad. Fuzdik radial drill here, probably next week is going to be gone. I'm swapping a guy it for a Bridgeport that needs a little bit of work. I really like these index mills. They're real stout, but the only thing that sucks is they're a Brown and Sharp number 9 taper. And yes, I know you can get them reground, but it's almost $700 to have the spindle reground to R8. And basically you have to unscrew it up here with a crescent wrench. I really kind of want to get a Bridgeport where I can just get a power drawbar, because this is kind of a pain in the butt, you know, swapping out tooling. Anyway, yeah, I got to get back to work here and let you see what I'm doing. But just, yeah, so if you're in the market for a mill, you know, Bridgeports are kind of more expensive than others, but, you know, there's kind of a reason, because, you know, the little accessories like that really make it a lot easier to do stuff. Now, if you're just doing one thing on it over and over again, who cares? But, you know, power drawbar on your mill would be real nice. Got my drill chuck in here. I got to run it down here. We'll go ahead and spot this guy and get going. All right, just getting ready to spot drill this guy here. Just giving myself a starting place. This is 304, and it's kind of a pain in the butt to drill. I drilled and tapped one already and decided to go ahead and yeah, this stuff kind of sucks to drill. So Alright, so I'm gonna give everybody a little tip here. Don't go on Amazon and just buy like super cheapo spot drills, because that is like the third one that I've just blown apart out of this set here. They do not seem to hold up very well. So anyway, yeah, spend a little bit of money and get a halfway decent spot drills. Just kind of go real slow, you know, turn your tap back around and break your chips. Wouldn't care, but I don't really want to have to make another one of these, so I want to take the rest of the day off. There we go. I think I got it. Just go slow and you should be good. There we go. Yeah, that feels good. All right, now we'll go ahead and clean these guys up. Now we just got to weld our side panels on and we're done. You know? right, guys, and just like that, I'm all done. These guys are ready to go in the mail in the morning. Anyway, yeah, throw them in this McMaster bag. Turned out pretty decent. I was having some problems. I didn't clean the dross off of these plasma cut plates as well as I did. The second one here, I went ahead and used a die grinder on the inside of it here, and that it welded a lot better. That first one I kind of had a hell of a time going around there, but these guys are gonna got polished out anyway, so I don't think they turned out too bad. I'm pleased. Hopefully they work, and we'll go into production on them. Lost my helper here. They got bored and decided to play on the Xbox. So anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button down there, and thank you for watching.